Barn weddings can be elegant, classy, timeless, glamorous, and sophisticated too. Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's wedding, I want to share with you guys how I transformed this gorgeous barn into a beautiful ballroom perfect for a bride. So I'm going to take you guys step by step throughout this beautiful space and share with you guys some of my thoughts and ideas on how you can transform your dream barn into your dream ballroom. And yes, in this case, you can have your cake and certainly you can eat it too. So let's get started. So when designing this space, I made very few changes. I wanted to just make sure that I included all the special touches that the bride wanted, such as this sweet table that was located on top of the two whiskey barrels that you see there. I also wanted to make sure that the guests had enough room to see and to move around. And I also wanted to create a focal point for this space. So I wanted to completely enclose this back wall so that the guests could see a beautiful backdrop as they walked into the space, and the wedding party could see beauty as they looked backwards. They also had two barns, so for this area it was more open, and I wanted it to be for food, fun, laughter, drinking. They also had the bar out here as well, so we included the hot top tables, a couple of guest tables, a dance floor, a grazing bar, and the DJ. It worked, you guys, in the space. It was absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to show you the final product. Okay, so this is the ceremony area, and there will be white chairs on either side of here. And the whiskey barrels, I guess, can do the sand ceremony and the whiskey barrel.
Felicia was going to make us some floor arrangements to go on top of it.
Okay, some big ones.
Yeah,
Okay,
so if you
it'll be
don't
some.
want them,
No. That's good. I'm just trying to see what they were going to do.
yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so right by the ceremony area is this gorgeous little pond, along with a cute little bridal cottage where all the girls got dressed on the day of the wedding. It's the cutest thing ever. One of the things that I absolutely love about this venue is that it is so spacious. And if you are ever in the North Alabama area and you're looking for a gorgeous venue for your wedding and you love outdoors and rustic and all of those things, then definitely check out Owl's Landing in North Alabama. So definitely check that out. Now, another thing is that now the chairs are out. This was actually the morning of the wedding ceremony. We were getting ready to remove the florals from the previous wedding because we will not be using the pampas grass, etc. We're going to be using some gorgeous florals and the like. But I wanted to give you guys kind of an up close look at this arch arrangement, just in case you guys love pampas and rustic and all of that. I definitely wanted to give you guys a look at it, and it was also faux, and I thought it looked really good to be a faux arrangement. And I love the way, just the way that the fabric just kind of draped on the sides of the arch, and this arch was just really well built, and it just looked absolutely gorgeous. And from looking at the altar area, you could see the pond and a little bridal cottage over there, and it just, you guys, it was so picturesque. Okay, you guys, so it is officially the morning of the wedding. The florals are already done. They are absolutely gorgeous. Her colors were peach, lavender, and sage green. And I would be lying to you guys if I didn't say that this color palette did not challenge me. It challenged me in the best way. I never had to combine like 3 or 4 different colors together, and the way that it worked out was absolutely gorgeous. Brooklyn and her fiance built the doors that you guys just saw that would close and open when she got ready to walk down the aisle. And she also DIY'd these aisle signs, which was 1 Corinthians 13. And I just thought that was such a unique and creative idea. I absolutely loved it, and I thought it was perfect for her wedding day. It just really meshed well with their personalities and what they wanted their wedding ceremony to be all about. And that was about the love of God, the presence of God in their marriage from beginning to end. They also had a Bible that served as their guest book. So as the guests were walking in, they would sign their favorite scripture, highlight their favorite scripture for them to read. And this was something that Brooklyn thought that they would use over the years instead of doing a traditional wedding guest book. And I just thought that was such an incredible idea. There were so many amazing creative ideas that were incorporated throughout this wedding, and I will be sharing them with you in this video. So now that I am doing the outdoor spaces, I thought this would be a good space for me to go ahead and show you guys the open barn that was in the back. We did set the table just like the inside, but it was a little bit more relaxed. We used these ring centerpieces that were already at the venue, and we also kind of put some highboys around and set up the food tables for the caterer. We had the sparklers for the sparkling send-off. We just kind of set out all the signage, put the dance floor where it was going to go. We left kind of that open, the back area open for the overlook, and we added some linens to the highboys so that the guests would have a space to kind of eat and drink and enjoy the breeze off of this kind of overlook area that was just so tranquil and so beautiful. Nature is always beautiful to me. I just don't think that you can create a more beautiful backdrop than just nature. Now over on the bar area, we kind of left that open, and then for the tables, for the grazing tables, we also put those in place, and we also added the dance floor. So everybody had their space. I know that it looks like a lot, you guys, but it's really not. It was very, very well thought out, very well planned out, so that everything could kind of be very spacious and enjoyable. We also had this beautiful floral wall from rosemorning.com. It was absolutely gorgeous. The guests loved taking this photo opportunity as they passed over from the reception area to the food/dance floor area. It was absolutely gorgeous. I will leave the link for Rose Morning down in the description box below. And if you guys want a custom neon light, I will leave that link down below as well. So now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Here is what the space looked like before in terms of the reception, and here is what the space looked like after. I'll give you some music for your listening pleasure. Enjoy.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
For the head table, we kept it extremely simple. Brooklyn loved beauty and simplicity. I absolutely love the napkin rings from totallydazzled.com. They definitely wanted the throne chairs, and so we made that happen. You guys, the florals that we selected were absolutely gorgeous. I could not believe that I was able to snag all of these gorgeous colors. Now you will notice that some of the chairs are not in place in this reception, but that's because some of them are out front, and so once the wedding is over, then the staff will move the missing chairs into place. So I decided ultimately to go with the ivory palette. So for those of you guys who voted on the community tab here in YouTube, thank you so much for suggesting ivory. I listed you guys several choices for you guys to choose from in terms of what linens I should focus on. And in the back of my mind, I was thinking either the green or the ivory, and many of you guys suggested the ivory, and so ultimately I chose the ivory over the sage green, and I am so happy that I did. I also opted not to cover or to drape the entire barn. To me, that would have definitely taken away from the feel that she wanted. I believe that the drapes that were already in place were just perfect. They were the perfect touch to the space, and so I let them remain intact and just kind of designed from that point forward. Muscle Shoals Florists here in Muscle Shoals, Alabama did an incredible job on the live florals and the reception florals. They turned out absolutely amazing. And this draping with the eucalyptus leaves already came with the venue, and so I kept that in place because I thought that it was absolutely beautiful, and that the bridal table would have something beautiful to look at from the front to the back, and the guests would have something beautiful to look at from wherever they were to the front. You guys, I found some amazing candles that I'm going to be sharing with you guys very soon. These candles are incredible in the candelabras. They don't leak. They don't cause issues. They don't cause like the soot or the smoke. And so, yeah, they are definitely worth it. So there you have it, you guys. This absolutely elegant, glamorous, beautiful barn wedding. So I promised you guys earlier in today's video that I was going to share my top 3 favorite things from this wedding. And the number 1 thing would have to be the signs down the aisle. I just absolutely love the fact that they had 1 Corinthians 10 and 13 down the aisle. My second thing would be this live painter. Like, the painter was there during the entire wedding and painted the wedding ceremony, and she was done by the end of the wedding, and I just thought that was incredible. And of course, my next thing was having the Bible verses highlighted in lieu of a wedding guest book. So you guys let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite. I'll see you guys at the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you love today's content. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!